everyone. This is week 4. I just wanted to go through this with you. First and foremost, just to remind you guys that you have a checklist that goes through. I'm going to go ahead and go through. If I can go, it's not what I want. I want this one. I guess that it's not gonna, sorry. So you have all these, so make sure you check them off and then you could submit. That's not worth any credit, it's just let you know, see what's gonna be kind of what would make you successful for the week. So on part 1, we have Rutherford scattering, and this is a continuation of what we were doing beforehand. One of the key things is that you need to go to this website. These are going to be for day 1 and for day 2. Last week you guys had Thompson model, so this one is going to be right here. And you're just going to click. Okay, I tried to show it within there. This is the only one you're working with. You are not working with this. This is the only one you're going to work with. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click it. There's a lot of things, and that's within it. What can you change within this? There are several things. Now, within this, I have 2 sides, side A and I have side B. Okay, so this is side A and this would be side B. I didn't have any other way to formulate it, just within this documentation. So side A and side B. Okay, so if you're looking at it, and I have some things I hope that will help you. It says what can be changed. So then you're going to go and look and see the effects. So one thing could be, oh, the blue button. What are some of the things that you notice? So what happens when we press those blue button? Well, it actually creates alpha particles, and you're going to learn later on what an alpha particle is. Please don't spend time thinking of what, I don't know what an alpha particle is. It is okay. You're just looking at what the general trend is, because you're going to find out what an alpha particle is when you do nuclear chemistry. So again, you'll see what it looks a little bit different. So what are the effects that happen for part A and part B, and how do they look a little bit different? Okay. I want to stress to you guys that the key thing about this is that the atom is made of 2 components, and I'm going to keep stressing this to you. The atom is made of 2 components. And like what we had talked about, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and volume. All right? And so the key thing on this lesson that I try to stress is that we learn that the atoms are made of volume, and they have a very dense center right here called the nucleus. And so the dense nucleus is basically where the mass is located. So where we have our mass, but in reality that the atom is made up of empty space. So you are basically made up of nothing. Sorry, but it's the truth. So, all right. So you have this, you have the gold foil experiment, and you're just going to keep following those directions. This is fairly simple, guys, okay? Fairly simple. This bleeds into the next lesson. If I can get this back up. Sorry. Next lesson, which we're going to do the same thing. You're going to click on this again, and you're going to play with it. Now, this doesn't take as long as the other one, okay? Especially since you've got some more experience on that. Okay, the last day is discovering the nucleus. So one of the things here is that you need to open the form, and you'll fill this out, Now, through this whole thing is discovery of Adam, and you need to watch this video. Okay. You can blow it up. And this is Brian Cox. He's a very famous particle physicist. Okay. All right. He was on, if you guys listen to Rogan, right? He did a commentary with him. Okay. Alrighty. I hope everything is. I think I covered everything, and you're going to have to go ahead and answer. I'm going to go put the times up for you guys on this. And so, even though day one seems like a lot, you might have a lot, but day two is very, very quick. Okay. Holler, come and see me at 9:30 on Monday. Next Monday, no office hours. Okay, so 9:30, 10:30, we will not be available. All right. If you have any questions, just please holler. All right. It's good to see you. Please get your stuff turned in, guys. Bye-bye.